Hello and welcome to another episode. Since the over-the-air update of the new Maps Infotainment for September 2025 came out last week, we've now got the manual download, and also a few people have reported on the ccNC head units on the EV3 in particular and EV6. It's probably affecting them all, that they cannot voice dial from their phone book. So it appears to go through the motions, but it doesn't seem to have access to the phone book. So I'm trying to diagnose what's going on and see if there's any workarounds that we can do. So basically, I'll show you what happens. Hey Kia, call Kathy.
Name was not found. Please say the name to search again.
As you can see, it's not finding the name in the phone book. But to double check the phone book is actually open and working, if you press the phone button on the steering wheel, it then pops up your address list. So it shows it's got access to the phone's address book, and this is on Android. I also know for a fact that if I try this from Google, it will dial the phone correctly. So if I open up Android Auto, okay Google, call Kathy Devine.
All right, calling Kathy Devine.
See, that worked. Excuse the rainstorm in the background. So my first thought is, shall I delete the Bluetooth link to my phone and start it all again? So that's the first thing I'm going to try. Right, to delete your phone from the car, you need to follow these steps, but it's also worth opening your phone so that it's not locked, so you can see all the messages that you have to authorize, like the address book and the other permissions. So if you press setup, phone connections, delete devices, and delete the item. This is an Android phone in this example. And then delete. And then add new. Connect. Sync contacts, allow. Android Auto, yes. And it's connecting on the phone. Still connecting on the phone. Contacts have been downloaded, so it's ready to go. Although that still says connecting. Well, I'm going to cancel that. I think it's finished. I mean, I've got a connection there. So I think it's done. So, hey Kia, call Kathy Devine.
Calling Kathy Devine.
And I'll stop that now. That proves it works. So it would seem that the simple answer is to just delete the Bluetooth connection in the car and then repair the phone, and it works straight after that. So it has to be that. That's what you have to do. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.